You know how I always say, if you ain't drilling, you ain't trying? This is the 5th ball I've drilled this week. Usually the more rounds I bowl, the more I drill. Today we are bowling 12 games of match play. If you guys don't know, for every win we get 30 bonus pins. We haven't had a match play on the channel in a while, but at the end of the day, it's still bowling. We've got a decent opponent, game 1. After 24 games, we're only 2 pins behind him so far, so he's not invincible. All good.
That's good luck.
slacking on the updates, but it's been a struggle. I don't feel like I'm bowling bad. Pair to pair's just been so different, and I'm trying all these different things, and when I'm close, I'm not striking. When I try something different, I make lots of splits. And I don't know if you saw that 10th frame game 4, but that was the second time I tried that part of the lane with that ball. So hopefully we can salvage some of the last 2 games and then make a run later.
Yeah, don't sleep in your dreams if you got one. Came a long way from the top bunk. I've been putting in work, but I'm not done. Trying to find a way out, I got some. Come and see what I'm made of. They wanna sleep, I wanna stay. I wanna eat with those great ones. All the people who came and changed. I've made history now or later. Cause you only get one, better live life. I will not say it again. Those who do great don't sit tight. Who cares how it's going in? The party don't stop till midnight. And it's just quarter past 10 again. Had to get all of my friends, now they don't know what I mean. If you got a big dream, don't sleep on it. Even when it's sleep on you, gotta do what you do and keep running. Better not care what they say when you're in your lane, gotta keep on it. You only get one life, David. Try not to pay attention. There's great ones who go. If you got a big dream, don't sleep on it. That's facts. The older you get, better know that that's that. No regrets when I go in my bag. No baguette, still shot on my ass. Big dreamer, since we are knee deeper. Tryna show you life, you gon' see reaper. So we go all night with the street sweepers and collect more cash than the street meter. Gotta think bigger, 9-figure mindset. I want in peace, not with the nonsense. Man, it's all I want, no contest. Tryna bring me down, no comment. Man, I got my dreams. Nigga, my squad, look at all my team. Doing our thing, living in light. Future look bright when you got it all right, that's right. Cause you only get one, better live life. I will not say it again. Those who do great don't sit tight. Who cares how it's going in? The party don't stop till midnight.
Yeah, more than 2.
And it's just quarter past 10 again. Had to get all of my friends, now they don't know what I mean. If you got a big dream, don't sleep on it. Even when it's sleep on you, gotta do what you do and keep running. Better not care what they say when you're in your lane, gotta keep on it. You only get one life, baby. Try not to pay attention. There's great ones who go to this. If you got a big dream, don't sleep on it. If you got a big dream, don't sleep on it. If you got a big dream, don't sleep on it.
Well, I don't feel like I bowled that bad. Just made some poor decisions. I don't think I had a favorable cross, just with who did what on what lanes. I didn't really pay good attention and make sound decisions based on that. So this is my worst scoring block so far, but I still feel like I've thrown it okay. Finished the block with 220, 220, so I'm not terribly mad. I'm not even gonna look at the numbers, don't know how close I am. We're just gonna keep bowling. We know our local on the fresh is pretty good, so it's just decision making. I think we'll be okay. And I gotta stop getting 5 in the fill. I did it 3 times today. Round 2. If anything else today, we'd be best.
Rearrange your lives to we alive. I came to grow a seed that hopefully will break a lot of soil through the toil till we thrive. Realize that what we have between us can fly. We we've been hitting turbulence and fell beneath the tide, but we could rise, we could arrive. I tend to agree, peace of mind. A piece of me is over this decline, but a piece of me hopes you come around so we can climb, so we can build a life together over time. So I can wake up to your eyes, finding mine. I can tell you how your perfect imperfections are a blessing. Your perspective so arresting, come and rest your heart and mind. But it's getting late, I see my watch and clock the time. Just thought that I will leave this message for your mind. Yeah, I want you by my side, but if you feel that we need separate skies, just let me know. Won't you let me know? Let me know when you feel low. Won't you let me hold you on my let go? Won't you let me know? Let me know when you feel low. Won't you let me hold you on my let go? 'Cause I won't let you go. We just came too high.
Oh, why'd you change balls, man? Oh. Well, balling okay. A little rough patch in the middle. Those low end pairs are giving me trouble, and I'm pretty sure that's where we're balling the last game. But it's all right. We're gonna do the best we can, hopefully move up the leaderboard as much as possible, and we'll call it a weekend. It was a good week. Definitely needed this before the end of the first little swing, so we get to go home after this and recharge, come back out here and pick up where we left off. not the ending we were hoping for. That's just kind of how it is sometimes. But I'm gonna look at the positives. We finished, I think, 10th, and you know, we're back competing for titles. So it's nice to be back, but gosh, it's just such a feel bad ending. It's all good though. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.